So we are continuing with our next library, which is wall. Okay, so in order to edit this wall section, just double click on it, then go on this interface, then just double click on it again. You can open the wall properties. So as you can see at the top, you can find the wall assembly name. Here, if you click on this drop down option, you can see there are plenty of walls available. So you can select any one of the walls from this section. Okay, so based on your wall properties, you can select any one of these if the wall is available in your drawing. So once you click on this drop down option, you can find so many walls in here. You can choose one of these walls as per your drawing and specification. Okay, but as of now I'm not going to click on anything because I don't have these walls in my drawing. So I'm just going to leave this as it is, or else I'm just going to name it like maybe external wall, like that. Okay, external wall, as it is located in the external section. Okay, so once it's done, you have to select the outside surface color. Okay, we have given the name of exterior wall in order to we have given the name of external wall in order to indicate that as an exterior one. Okay, and also we have considered the outside surface color as dark. Okay, it could be medium or light as well. So once you finish this one, you can go to the layer section. In the layer, there are plenty of layers are available, right? So depends on your layer. You can start from your inside area, which is inside the building. Okay, so inside the building layer, inside the building, first you may find the plaster, right? So I'm just searching for the plaster in here, but I could not find it. See, as you can see in here, I could not find it. The plastering is not available. So what I'm going to do is that I'm simply going to remove this name. Okay, remove this name, and I'm just going to add my first layer, which is the, as you can see, my first layer is 10 mm plaster, right? So then my second layer would be 140 mm block. Again, my third layer would be 60 mm insulation. Then my fourth layer would be 10 mm block. Okay, so as we know that first layer is 10 mm plaster, right? So I'm just simply going to, sorry, okay, you can type here 10 mm plaster. Okay, then we have 140 mm block, then we have like 60 mm insulation. Okay, if you want to add any other layer, means just simply right click, then you can insert it. Okay, here as you can see, you can simply insert it. And also I want this layer to be on this side, so what I'm going to do is that I'm simply going to add one here, and I'm going to delete this. Okay, remove. Okay, then at last I have 10 mm plaster again. So, okay, this is how you can add the layer if the certain layer is not available in the HAP software. So once it's done, you have to mention the thickness. As we know, the thickness is 10 mm, 140 mm. So you can simply mention it in here in inches. Okay, the unit is in inch. Okay, you have to consider this in inches. Here we have mm, so you can convert it, right? Then you can mention the density. It's not mandatory to give the density for this one. Okay, as long as you provide the R value, you will be on the safe side. Okay, it's not mandatory to provide the density or specific heat for the manual entries. For the HAP entries, like the surfaces which are available in the HAP software, it will automatically change. Okay, but for the manual entries it's not mandatory. Okay, once it's done, you have to provide the R value for sure. Okay, so please do not forget to provide R value, because your U value will be estimated based on the R value only. This R value can be selected based on your project data or from civil department. Okay, so once you find the R value, you just provide R value for all the layers. Okay, and you will get some answer. In our case, this is not the R value for our layers. Okay, these values were before. Okay, so these values were there before. Okay, you can simply change these values as per your layer. Okay, layer properties. Then once you finish, you can select OK. Okay, you must correct all data. What data we need? Yeah, here maybe we could give like 0.9 and 0.9. Okay, okay, it's been saved, right? So as we see here, we have external wall in here, and it has been created already. And also we know that overall U value for the external wall is 0.240. Okay, and the overall weight is 41.7, which you can simply neglect it. That's not a mandatory requirement at all. But this overall U value is, as you know, we did not calculate the U value for this wall. I mean, we did not put the exact R value, depends on the layer in here, as we know. So this U value will change for this wall. For the time being, I'm not going to put the value. Okay, cancel it. So this is the way that you have to prepare the wall properties. So if you want to add any other wall, you can just repeat the same procedure. Okay, and you can provide the name, maybe interior walls or something. Okay, interior wall, interior wall. Okay, you can add some other layers, right? You can provide airspace as well, like that. Okay, so once you choose the layer from the drop down option, you can see the value changes correspondingly. So, and also your outside surface color will also plays major role when it comes to the estimation of the U values. Okay, so I'm just going to simply select OK. Okay, now our second wall has been created. Now if you have many interior wall, I mean if you have different type of interior walls, you can click the wall properties, and you can mention like interior wall 2 or interior wall 3, like that. Okay, so this is how you prepare the wall properties. Okay,